This is why being nice doesn't work if you're a guy wanting more sex. I'm Stephanie, your sexologist and sex coach for men. She may go through the motions with you, she may say she's fine, but the version of her that you're craving sexually shows up for men who make her feel safe. And this can be you if you're dating, but especially you if you're married and if you've been married for a while. And let's be real, a lot of men were actually taught the answer is to be nice and don't argue, you'll have more sex. Or if you do the dishes without asking, that's the kind of man she wants to. On paper, that sounds great. It's really nice. I'm not saying don't do those things. But niceness by itself is not intimacy. It's totally different. And it's definitely not what makes a woman emotionally safe enough to just let go in the bedroom. Nice can feel like you're trying to avoid her emotions instead of creating room for them. Here's an example of that. If she's being honest with you and she's sharing something with you that makes her uncomfortable, your immediate reaction might just be like, oh no, honey, don't worry about that. Like, you're amazing. Don't even go there. I think that's the nice thing to say and that it's supportive, but what you're really doing is not allowing her to fully trust you in communication, because when she brings vulnerable things up to you, you shut them down. And that shutdown isn't necessarily mean. You're being nice about it, right? But you're not allowing her to open up to you and come to you with issues where you really hear what she's saying and you really let her feel what she's feeling without you trying to fix it. This is how women build trust in their relationships with men. That's why so many women are like, don't fix it, just listen to me, right? You hear that all the time, I'm sure. So let's talk more about what emotional safety actually means. It's not about saying the perfect thing. In fact, it's actually about getting a little messier and admitting you don't know. Creating emotional safety is not about avoiding conflict. Conflict isn't bad. Conflict is a great opportunity to learn about each other and to navigate through tough situations that then make you stronger. But if you avoid the conflict, you're not able to have that growth process together. Emotional safety definitely doesn't come when you tiptoe around her feelings and you're afraid of hurting her feelings, so you just say the thing that you think will just make her feel better in the moment. To create an emotional safety with her, it's to be present with her. Get curious when she's silent. Listen to her about her insecurities. Ask her questions about them. You try to understand where she's at when she brings those insecurities up to you, instead of just saying, oh, you're beautiful, don't even think that. So emotional safety is her trusting that you're not gonna have reactions that could make her feel like she can't open up to you. So why does this matter in the bedroom? Because if she doesn't feel safe, she's just going through the motions. She's saying yes with her mouth, but her body feels so disconnected. And if you're a man who can feel that difference, you know how empty that feeling can be. When she does feel emotionally safe, she becomes the kind of woman that you just want her energy. You want it so bad. It's like so beautiful and powerful. She stops filtering herself. She starts telling you what she wants. So if you're watching this and you're realizing maybe I have been playing the nice guy role, this isn't about shame. This is about an upgrade for yourself and for your relationship. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You need to be present. So here's where to start based on all of this. Stop trying to make her comfortable and start trying to be a man that she could be real with. Learn to stay grounded when she's emotional. Ask questions. Be curious when she's there. Be with her. Let her feel it. Let her think it. Show her that truth turns you on, not just her body. You want to understand her. You want to know what's going on in her head. And you want to be there to support her when she needs you to, in the way that she needs you to. The men who create the best sex lives for themselves are the ones who master emotional safety, not just technique. So if this is hitting something in you, it means you care. If you want more of this type of content, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.